we spend a lot of time managing files, sometimes saving, sharing, viewing or syncing pictures, music or documents. It's just too much work. Workplace is the answer. Files are synchronized between devices using desktop and mobile apps, allowing you to access your data anytime and anywhere. You can share single files as well as complete folders, like your latest vacation pictures. In combination with the Workplace Documents apps, Workplace Drive allows you to view, create and edit text documents, spreadsheets and presentations online. Simplify teamwork by inviting friends to view and edit documents in real time. You can also choose who can access the file and even edit the permissions of each member. Workplace. File management has never been easier.